This is a normal USB flash drive, the same kind you use every day to store files. But today, I'm turning it into a USB killer for Windows using two different DIY methods. In this video, you'll see how one simple flash drive can push a PC into a nonstop crashing loop and then into a forced shutdown loop that just doesn't stop. No special hardware, no expensive tools, just a regular USB and a smart setup. I combined two powerful experiments into one video so you can clearly see the difference between both effects. Watch carefully because the second method is the most dangerous one. After this, you'll never trust a normal USB flash drive the same way again. Before we start, this is only for educational and testing purposes. Only try this on your own computer. I'm not responsible for any misuse. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and watch till the end. Let's get into the video. First, I'll briefly explain how this works. So if I open Windows PowerShell as an administrator, type this command and hit enter, my computer crashes instantly. Now I open Notepad and create a batch file to execute that command in Windows PowerShell as an administrator. If I run this, my computer crashes again. Now I open the Windows Task Scheduler and create a task. In here, I schedule this file to run 30 seconds after I log into the computer. And now I crash my computer again by running this. So if I log into the computer again, it crashes automatically because I have scheduled that file to run 30 seconds after the login. Now we have to automate this whole process to create the USB killer. So I have written a batch file for this. As I explained, first it will be opened as an administrator. After that, it creates the task in the task scheduler to run the command in Windows PowerShell. As you can see, I have added a 30-second delay in here as well, so I will have time to disable this from the Windows Task Scheduler. Finally, it executes the command causing the computer to trigger the blue screen of death. Now I save this as a batch file and convert it into an exe file. Make sure to install WinRAR on your computer and follow these steps to do that. So here we have our exe file right here. Everything is ready now. Now I put this file onto my flash drive. So if I plug this flash drive into any Windows machine and run this, it will create the crashing loop. Now I'm going to make this file run automatically when the flash drive is plugged in. Download the Autorun Creator tool. Then I select my flash drive and the file from here and create the Autorun files. So if I unplug this and plug it in again, that file runs automatically. But since this is a regular flash drive, we have some limitations here. You have to install this Autorun software on your target machine to make this run automatically. Also, even if it runs automatically, you have to click on the Yes button here to run that file we made for the USB killer. As a solution for this, you can rename the file like this and trick someone. First, plug your flash drive into your PC. Then create a text document inside your flash drive, which we will convert into the instant shutdown script. After that, paste the code inside it. Let me explain it one by one. This script starts by cleaning up the screen so nothing unnecessary shows. Then it sets up two important settings. One defines the name for the task that will be added to Windows, and the other sets how many seconds the system will wait before turning off each time it starts. This delay is very helpful when you're testing or learning because it gives you enough time to stop the automation before it activates. If this delay is removed, the system would shut down instantly at every login with almost no chance to stop it. So the delay acts as a simple safety window built into the script. Next, the script prepares an instruction that tells Windows to pause for that time and then force a shutdown. After preparing everything, it adds a hidden task that will run automatically every time the computer starts, even before a user logs in. The task runs the shutdown instructions silently in the background. Finally, the script triggers one immediate shutdown, which happens only once. After that, every time the system boots, the task will run automatically, wait for the delay, and shut down the computer again, completing the loop. Now save this as a batch file. When you run it, the computer will shut down immediately and keep looping the shutdown. Now we need to make this file run automatically when the flash drive is plugged in. To do that, first download the USB Autorun Creator tool, then open it and select the batch file. After that, select your flash drive. Finally, click on the USB drive button and then click on the Create button. Now the plug-and-play device is ready. Let me show you how it works. I unplug the flash drive and now I plug it in again, and the PC shuts down instantly. No pop-up, no message, nothing. And even after removing the USB, when I log back into the PC, the moment the desktop loads, it shuts down again. This creates a full shutdown loop, and this is why I call it USB Windows Killer 2.0. One limitation is that you need to have the Autorun software installed on the target machine for this to run automatically. Otherwise, you can run the file manually or use a USB rubber ducky for a stronger delivery method. Again, use this only on your own system. This video is only to show how startup entries and shutdown commands work. So this is the upgraded version of my previous USB Windows Killer, and now it comes with a full shutdown loop. If you want more insane DIY hacking experiments, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.